We are fortunate and blessed. The tranquil environment of our school grounds attracts so many bird species. Learning to identify these birds will give us a personal connection to the environment and will teach us to value nature. Doves, symbolizing peace and tranquility, are gentle birds with soft cooing calls. Doves are widespread in North India and can be spotted in various habitats from urban gardens to rural landscapes. The yellow-naped woodpecker has a striking appearance that is predominantly olive green. The underparts are black and white and a yellow patch on its nape. They feed on insects, grubs, and tree sap. The common tailor bird is a charming little bird. The bird has been immortalized in Jungle Book by Rudyard Kipling. He called the bird as Durji. They have a greenish-brown plumage and primarily feed on insects, spiders, and small invertebrates. The scaly-breasted munia is a small bird known for the distinctive scaly pattern on its breast, which gives it its name. These birds are primarily seed eaters, feeding on a variety of grass seeds, grains, and small insects. The shikra is a small raptor with a compact body, short wings, and a long tail. Shikras have a grayish-brown plumage with dark streaks and a distinctive red iris. They are skilled hunters and feed mainly on small birds and rodents. The sparrow, their small size, cheerful chirping, and adaptability to urban environments, once a common sight in North Indian cities, sadly, their population has declined in recent years, highlighting the need for conservation efforts to protect this iconic bird species. The great tree pie is a large bird from the crow family. It has an ashy gray plumage that contrasts with its black head, long black tail, and wings. The bird has a diet which includes fruits, seeds, insects, and small reptiles. The long-tailed shrike is a striking combination of white, black, and brown. It is a carnivorous bird preying on insects, small vertebrates, and sometimes even other birds.